This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I will quickly show how you can record the screen on this phone. So in the beginning, open the control panel, expand it, and look for the screen recorder tile. Here it is. You can press and hold on it or actually not on it, but on this arrow, just press it to change the recording preferences, such as the recording area. You can record a single app, so select what app you would like to record, or an entire screen. You can also change the audio source, so you can either record only device audio, only microphone, or both, as well as show or hide touches on the screen. Once you are ready, just press start recording, and as you can see, the 3-second countdown should start, which, once finished, will automatically begin recording the screen. In order to stop the screen recording, simply open the notification panel, tap over here, or tap on the stop button directly. And here you have it. Now, in order to find the result, open your preferred gallery app, go into albums or collections, as this section is called in the Google Photos app in particular, and somewhere here you should find the screen recorder folder. It should be here somewhere, but actually it is not. Probably that's the caveat of, the Google Photos app on this phone in particular. So let's actually try finding the screen recording, since it should be somewhere. Let's quickly see. Yeah, the screen recording has been saved indeed, so it is kinda odd that I cannot find it, to be honest. So give me a few seconds here, maybe videos. It has been saved to videos for some reason. Well, not as far as I can see. That's pretty interesting if you ask me, since I haven't had an issue like that previously, to be perfectly honest with you guys, and usually the screen recordings automatically go into their dedicated screen recorder folder, and the strangest thing of all is that I cannot find it in my gallery anyways. Not that there is no folder dedicated for it, or actually here it is, yeah. You'll need to open the on this device section if you use Google Photos and go into movies. And here you'll be able to find the screen recording. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.